Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market recording for Wednesday, the 10th of June. My disclaimer: I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer your own shots, and I'm not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ctmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, great. Let's have a quick look at Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin, obviously, we've seen a bit of a rally since we made the flag targets, which we have, of course, on all of them. On the daily chart, I'm wondering about a retest of the low, and if we see that, we could see positive divergence on both the daily RSI 14 and the daily RSI 5, although it would be weak divergence on the RSI 14 because we never made it back up to the 30 area. On the hourly chart, we're actually in a position where we could set up some positive divergence there. Have we already got some? Not quite, I don't think. But a lower low today could set up an hourly buy signal, but I'd like to see a retest of this low here at 59.1k. And if we do, we'll get some daily buy signals spring. Looking at Solana, again, modest rally since the lows. We could set up with a retest of this low here at 60.12, we could set up positive divergence on, again, both the RSI 14 and the RSI 5, although it would be, again, weak because it didn't reach the 30 area on the RSI 14. On the hourly chart, no current divergence, and leaning towards seeing a retest of the low. We do not have any obvious reversal patterns forming yet, unless we are forming double bottoms on Solana or Bitcoin. Looking at Ethereum, again, wondering about a retest of the low. Again, I'm wondering about a rally after that. We've got big double bottoms here. I'm skeptical about those playing out because I'm not, well, I don't think the bear market is finished, but, we'll see how that goes. But I'll talk slightly more about that at the end, but I would like to see retest these lows, set up buy signals, and I would like to see a strong rally of some kind, setting up little level bottoms which can then play out. Hourly chart, no current divergence. Do we have an obvious reversal pattern forming here? Not unless we're forming a double bottom, or we could, of course, be forming an ABC flag, and that applies to all of them. In terms of the bear market, we've only just got down, and people have been talking about the significance of this 200-week moving average, and it is significant, no question about it. Only close to the end of the bear market do we tend to go underneath that, establish it as resistance, hold it for a while, and then break back above. But obviously, we're only just starting that process here. Normally, I'd expect to see this go a bit lower, and I've got to say my eye is on this area at 49.1, 49.2k. I'm thinking 49 to 50k area would be a very good level to finish the bear market in. And the ideal time to finish the bear market would, of course, be in really the earliest in August, or August through October, with the high on Bitcoin, which is where I'm taking the bear market, the end of the bull market from being in October last year. So I'm still leaning towards seeing more, but I'm not actually leaning towards seeing an awful lot more. We shall see. Obviously, there are predictions that the bear market is over and the bull run's about to start again every day on crypto Twitter. That's my lean on this, and I think I'm probably going to be right about that. All right, great. In that case, I think it's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, cheers.